Well, now, bargaining is a fine art, and nowhere more than at the barnyards of Dalgety. And here we go. As I went out to Tura Market for Taffy, I fell in with a farmer chill the barnyard to Dalgety. Lentonaddy, Lenton Lauren, the barnyard to Dalgety. He promised me the very best pair that e'er I ever seen, but when I got into the barnyards, 'twas nothing there but skin and bone. Lentonaddy, Lenton Lauren, the barnyard to Dalgety. The old black horse lay on his rump, the old grey mare lay on her weem. No matter how I'd hopped and cracked, they never rose by milking time. Lentonaddy, Lenton Lauren, the barnyard to Dalgety. When I go to church on Sunday, Minnie the bonny lass I see, sitting by her mother's side, winking o'er the pews at me. Lentonaddy, Lenton Lauren, the barnyard to Dalgety. I can drink and not be drunken, I can fight and not be slain, and I can flirt with another man's girl and still be welcome to my ain. Lentonaddy, Lenton Lauren, the barnyard to Dalgety. And now me candle's near burnt out, 'tis fairly on the wane. Say fare ye well, ye barnyards, you'll never have me back again. Lentonaddy, Lenton Lauren, the barnyard to Dalgety.